Well, I say support. Sanctioning is actually one of the cores, but ancient apparition and sanctioning typically have been supports, but they're also very, very great supports where they provide, they don't have
Isabel, don't put it in your mouth.
impact on the big game team.
Isabel, don't place your toys in your mouth, okay?
He's going to be able to grab those very, very early.
Say hi to Lolo. Lola din.
Which pretty much nobody can
Hi, Lola.
except for
Ninang Joanne. Hi, Ninang Joanne. Hi, Ninang Tatal. Wala kang gift pag hindi ka nag-hello. Hi, Lolo. Hi, Lola. Siya. Hi, Ninang. Patay.